In the heart of every home lies an unsuspecting hero, the humble paperclip. At first glance, it appears to be merely a tool for holding sheets of paper together, a task it performs with unassuming grace. However, the paperclip has a plethora of secret functions that many of us overlook. Did you know that a simple paperclip can serve as a SIM card ejector for your phone? When your device prompts you to swap out your SIM card, all you need is this tiny metallic loop to access the tray. This surprising fact is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the hidden potential of everyday objects that we often take for granted. In our fast-paced world, we frequently overlook the multifunctional capabilities of the items we encounter daily. We rush through our routines, relying on the same tools for the same tasks, unaware that there are simpler, more efficient ways to accomplish what we need. This lack of awareness can lead to missed opportunities for convenience and efficiency. The paperclip is just one example, but it opens the door to a wider exploration of the secret lives of everyday objects. Take, for instance, the common rubber band. Most people view it as a simple means of bundling items together, yet its utility extends far beyond that. Rubber bands can be used to grip slippery objects, making it easier to open jars or bottles. By wrapping a rubber band around the lid of a stubborn jar, you gain the necessary traction to twist it open. Furthermore, they can serve as makeshift bookmarks, hair ties, or even a way to keep your phone charger neatly coiled. The versatility of a rubber band is often lost on us, and we miss out on the myriad ways it can simplify our lives. Similarly, consider the trusty kitchen sponge. Beyond its primary role of scrubbing dishes, a sponge can be a secret weapon in the battle against household messes. When soaked in vinegar and water, it can tackle tough stains on countertops or in the microwave. If you slice a sponge into smaller pieces, you can use them to clean hard-to-reach places, such as the crevices of your car's dashboard or the corners of your computer keyboard. Even more surprisingly, a dry sponge can be used to absorb spills quickly, acting almost like a mini-mop. The sponge, like the paperclip and rubber band, is a prime example of an everyday object with hidden talents. As we delve deeper into our kitchens, the potato peeler emerges as another unsuspecting multitasker. While its primary function is to peel fruits and vegetables, it can also be employed to create beautiful garnishes or zest citrus fruits with precision. By using the peeler to shave thin strips of cheese, you can elevate your culinary presentations. Additionally, if you find yourself in need of a makeshift knife, a sturdy potato peeler can slice through soft items like tomatoes or avocados with ease. The peeler's potential is often overshadowed by its singular purpose, yet it holds the key to enhancing our cooking experiences. Even the simple coffee mug has secret functions that can enrich our daily lives. Beyond being a vessel for our morning brew, it can serve as a makeshift measuring cup for dry ingredients. Need a quick way to measure out a cup of flour? Use your mug. Furthermore, a mug can double as a small bowl for snacks or a container for organizing office supplies. The warmth of a coffee mug can also be repurposed to keep your hands warm on a chilly day, or it can serve as a temporary holder for a candle, transforming your space into a cozy haven. The coffee mug, often relegated to a single task, is a reminder of how versatile our everyday items can be. The beauty of discovering these hidden functions lies not only in their practicality, but also in the way they inspire creativity and resourcefulness. Each object we encounter daily has the potential to become more than just a tool. It can evolve into a solution for a problem we didn't even know we had. This realization encourages a shift in perspective, prompting us to look beyond the surface and consider how we might repurpose the items around us. In our exploration of everyday objects, the most surprising feature might just belong to the common kitchen fork. While it is primarily known for its role in dining, a fork can be a versatile tool in the kitchen. It can be used to fluff rice or quinoa, mash potatoes, or even whisk eggs in a pinch. The tines can serve as a makeshift meat tenderizer, and if you find yourself without a proper grater, the fork can be used to shred cheese or vegetables with ease. This simple utensil, often relegated to the dining table, showcases how a shift in perspective can unlock new uses for items we see every day. As we recap the secret functions of these everyday objects, it becomes clear that the paperclip, rubber band, sponge, potato peeler, coffee mug, and fork each hold unique capabilities that can simplify our tasks and solve common problems. The significance of acknowledging the versatility of these items cannot be overstated. By recognizing their hidden potential, we open ourselves to a world of convenience and creativity that can transform our daily routines. In a society that often prioritizes novelty and the latest gadgets, it is essential to remember the value of the ordinary. The next time you reach for a paperclip or a rubber band, take a moment to consider what else it might be capable of. Embracing the multifunctionality of everyday objects not only enhances our efficiency, but also fosters a sense of appreciation for the ingenuity that surrounds us. In our quest for convenience, let us not overlook the simple wonders that lie just beneath the surface of our daily lives.